In this video, we're going to be showing you how to fix it when you're getting the problem when you're getting an unsupported link on Google Maps and Google Maps cannot open the link. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So if you're running into the problem when you cannot open a certain Google Maps link, the first thing that you can try to do is open up Google Maps. So I'll just search for Maps and then open up Maps. Okay, then you want to tap on your profile icon right there, and your account that you're on right now may be limited if it's a work account or school account. So what you can do is you can tap the drop down there and you can sign into Google Maps with a different account to see if that fixes the problem. If it still doesn't work, you want to go out of Google Maps, go to either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, and where it says search apps, you just want to type in Maps and then hit search. Okay, then you'll find Google Maps. You want to tap onto Google Maps and then you'll see an update button. If you see an update button, you want to tap onto the update button and update the Google Apps application to the latest version to see if that fixes the problem. And then if you still not having the luck and still not working, what you can do is you can go into your settings, and once you're on the main page of your settings, you want to scroll down until you find apps and then tap onto apps, and then just make use of the search bar at the top there, and then you just want to search for Maps and then tap onto Maps. Okay, then you want to scroll down until you get to storage, tap onto storage, and then you'll see clear cache. You want to clear the cache, and you may also want to clear the data of the specific app and then open it up again to see if that works. And then if it's still not working for whatever reason, you can uninstall the app and reinstall it. So you just hold on to any app and then you'll see the uninstall button, and then what you do is you go back over to the Play Store, you find the app and you click on the install button. Then the next thing you can do, it could be just an error with your current loading of your phone. So what you do is you swipe down, hit the power button, and then hit on restart your phone, and then hopefully that'll fix your problem. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.